Hello tech lovers, today's video is on Top 5 Best Drone. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drone. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. The very next drone, we have RG106 drone. The folded size of this drone is 18 centimeters by 12.4 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters. The expanded size of this drone is 31 by 31 by 7.5 centimeters. For a drone of this size, we can easily understand that this drone is portable and easy to carry. This drone has a high-definition camera. It has 6K image quality and also has movie-level HD output. It has a 6K high-definition ESC lens. It improves the clarity of shooting pictures by supporting 50x sliding zoom. Beauty filter, making images beautiful and attractive is now a very easy task. Fixed point hovering. Drones require smart hovering. Its function is to help capture stable and smooth video. This feature allows the drone to fly in idle mode. It has a feature called image transmission that will let you see the excitement from a distance. You can see from a distance that your drone is giving a very beautiful view. 360-degree intelligent obstacle avoidance. Obstacle avoidance gives the drone an extra layer of security. This helps the drone to avoid crashing into walls or other objects and ensures a safe flight while also reducing the worry of damage due to crashes. GPS intelligent positioning. You can get many more benefits with the help of this drone, including a GPS facility. Without GPS, you can control your movement smoothly, and the use of optical flow dual mode will make your flight more wonderful. Waypoint flight. You can draw a map first if you want, so you can fly this drone very easily through this map. You can climb anywhere by clicking. Intelligent app control. To enjoy such services, you need to download an official app first. Then connect the Wi-Fi directly to the drone. The modular battery lasts about 28 minutes, which is 7.4 volts, 3,800 mAh capacity, which is enough for you to enjoy flying. We can finish it up with SJRC F11 4K Pro drone. The unfolded size of this drone is 29 by 29 by 5.5 cm, and the fold size is 12.5 by 17 by 5.5 centimeters. It is straightforward to carry. 4K HD adjustable camera. The type of camera is a 2-axis electronic stabilization gimbal real 4K camera. For this reason, the photo resolution is 3840 by 2160 pixel, and the video resolution is 1280 by 720 pixel. The frame rate is 30 frames per second. Through this information, you can easily understand the camera's efficiency and capacity. The more powerful and advanced the camera of a drone is, the more customers will consider it desirable. GPS GLONASS dual mode. The GPS device that follows me has a range of 10 to 100 meters. On the other hand, the adjustable angle is -80 + 0. Gesture shooting is related to adjustable hooks. The roll of this drone is -100 to +70. The mechanical range and control range are -35 to +35. Real-time image transmission. This drone has a 1,200 million HD image transmission distance that is outdoor and unobstructed, depending on conditions and mobile devices. This drone maintains altitude hold. Smart, 11.1 volts, 2,500 mAh. The frequency of this drone is 2.4G in remote control and 5G on mobile phones. On the other hand, the control distance is 3,000 meters in the outdoor area and unobstructed, depending on the environment and mobile device. For this reason, flight time is about 26 to 30 minutes. On the other hand, the charging time is about 5 hours. The drone motor of this model is robust, durable, and long-lasting. The ADM drone's motor significantly affects its speed. App connection control. You can control your drone through the app on your mobile phone. This is a unique benefit for new drivers because drones require special skills. Furthermore, we have SJRC MAX drone in our list. The folded size is 12.5 by 17 by 5.5 cm, and the unfolded size is 29 by 29 by 5.5 centimeters. It is very easy to carry. It looks attractive with its front light and overall beautiful design. This drone has a 120-degree ultra-wide angle. Its camera and setup are so good that they present attractive highlights and details. Here, attractive highlights mean stunning views, and details mean perfect views. Gesture Photo Video Intelligent Experience. Beautifying any photo is now very easy. So now you don't have to worry about beautifying photos. You can take beautiful photos and present beautiful photos using a powerful medium. This drone has an image transmission process so that you can see the scene that the drone is seeing from a distance of 1,200 meters. As a result, any dangerous things around can be captured visually very easily. As a result, it is easy to keep an eye on the drone. Obstacle avoidance is an added safety factor built into a drone, which ensures a safe flight. Avoiding three-way obstacles and not crashing is very important to reduce the risk of the drone falling. It has front, left, and right environment perception capability for three-way obstacle avoidance. GPS optical flow mode automatic switching. With this drone, you will get a GPS facility. You can manage your movements beautifully without GPS. Optical flow dual mode will make your flight interesting. Waypoint flight. You can first draw a map to create the moves you want. Then you can fly the drone very easily through this map. You can climb anywhere by clicking. First, you need to download an official app. Then connect the Wi-Fi to the drone. Then you can control the drone with your mobile phone as you wish. You can also drive. Modular smart battery. The battery capacity of this drone is 2,200 mAh, and it also has a 7.4-volt lithium battery voltage. Modular batteries are used to simplify battery installation and removal. When the installation process becomes easier, it affects the drone's flying process, making the drone's operating system even easier. The 2,200 mAh battery module is stable for about 25 minutes to enjoy the flying process. Speed switch. Through this, you can gain experience in flying. It includes 15 meters per second high gear, 8 meters per second medium gear, and 6 meters per second lower gear. Every drone needs a smart hover to capture smooth videos or photos while maintaining the drone's stability. We can start things off with RG109 MAX 4K RC drone. As a very low-cost product, the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. A budget-friendly portable RG109 MAX RC drone that can be used by everyone considering the design quality, attractive features, and budget is definitely recommended. The folded size is 14.5 by 9 by 8 cm, and the unfolded size is 25 by 26.5 by 8 cm, including fan blades, which are very easy to fold and have an attractive design. Because of its light weight, it is very easy to transport. The drone has a high-definition camera, but they claim it is a 4K pixel camera. It also has a 90-degree control camera that gives freedom to switch the viewing angles. But they present it as better because other functions of the camera are good. Gesture to take a photo and beauty filter. You can now beautify any type of image very easily. So now you don't have to worry about beautifying pictures. You can take pictures and beautify them in a powerful way. The drone has an image transmission feature that allows you to see what the drone is seeing in the distance. This is how you can keep track of drones. 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance. In fact, the additional security measures of drones satisfy the customer. This is why a drone's three-way obstacle avoidance system is timely. If you think your drone is flying, then it is likely to crash if it hits a wall or something. 360-degree surround shooting. 360-degree stunt rolls are used to watch video clips, making them more awesome. This drone is essential to make the clips more interesting. With a 7.4 volts, 3,000 mAh module design, it lasts for about 25 minutes, making the drone's flying experience highly enjoyable. Return of GPS intelligent positioning multifunction. The drone has a GPS facility. You can manage your movements better without GPS if you want. The drone realizes one key return. Optical flow makes dual-mode drone flight interesting. With the help of the map, you can easily fly the drone to your desired location. The drone can be flown anywhere by clicking the button. Up next, we have XKJ K911 MAX GPS 4K drone in our list. The expanded size of the developed drone is 32 by 32 by 8 centimeters, and the folded size of the drone is 15.5 by 9 by 8 centimeters. The primary material of the drone is ABS, hardware, and electronics, so we can easily understand that the drone is straightforward to fold. Dual camera switching. The drone's high-definition cameras enhance the quality of the footage. The drone has a 4K professional 8K dual HD camera in this model. We all know that for drones, hovering is very necessary. Hovering is a must if you wanted to make a great video, because this process helps the driver fly in a relaxed mode and smoothly relax as well. It also helps when trying to climb in or out of the road. 5G high-definition image transmission. Image transmission is an essential feature of drones. Through this, you can easily make distant objects enjoyable. Moreover, you can enlarge any image by zooming 360-degree omnidirectional laser obstacle avoidance. The flight environment of this drone is indoor-outdoor, and PTZ is ESC. Conversely, the side control tool is 90 degrees up and down. The GPS type is dual-mode GPS and GLONASS. The fence includes an adjustable height of 120 meters and a distance of 300 meters. Through this process, a customer can fly the drone using a mobile phone using only the mid-range sensor. As a result, a new customer can quickly drive it. Moreover, you can control or operate the drone back and forth as you wish using your mobile phone.
If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.